Hello students, today we are going to learn about the lead acid batteries. These are also rechargeable batteries, but these batteries are little bigger in size but cheaper when compared to other types of batteries, and it needs some maintenance, but it is mostly used in automobiles and in inverters that we use in our home. The main reason for its cost effectiveness is the lead and the lead oxide and sulfuric acid. So the three main components inside this battery are very cheap and available readily in earth. So these components make this battery a nominal cost battery so that we can use it in many applications. Okay, today let us have a look on what is inside this battery.
Before cutting this battery, we should first check the voltage. So now can you see this? The voltage is showing as 0.32 volt. So 0.3 volt is the current battery status of this battery. So this battery is nearly dead. So the very low voltage is only coming out from this battery. So we can now remove this battery's cover and dismantle this battery. Now I am opening the top section of this battery. Now you can see some caps over here. So each cap will be a separate section so that we can open this cap. Okay. Now I have opened one cap. So these sections are used to pour some water inside it. Okay. Why we use water inside this battery? Electrolyte is a combination of water and sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is mixed in water and it is used as electrolyte in this battery. So we will add water in a particular period of time. So the water dries off and we will add a water again. So they will have a limit of water level. So we should maintain this water level so that the batteries will work fine. So we have to check the level of battery, but in this battery we cannot see the level, but in most of the batteries we can see the level of battery so that we can add water if the battery's water level is very low. Okay, let us see what is inside these sections. So now we are going to cut this battery.
friends, now we have cut the battery into two halves. Okay, you can see this now. We have cut the battery. So you can see different layers inside this. So you can see a white colored layer, and next to it there will be some black colored region, and again a white colored region, and again a black colored region. So if you look at this from this side, you can see the complete layer of a black colored material. So this is lead, this is pure lead, and this white colored region is made up of lead oxide. This region acts as negative, and the lead oxide, this white region, acts as positive, and in between them there will be an electrolyte made up of sulfuric acid and water. But in this cell, this electrolyte is completely dried off due to excessive usage, and here you cannot see any liquid over here. So electrolyte is completely dried off, and this hard metal component is used to collect the charges from each cell. So this battery contains separate cells. Okay, this is a separate cell, and this is also a separate cell. So this battery contains 6 separate units: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 separate units, that is 6 separate cells inside this battery pack. So all these packs are connected in a particular manner so that we get a common positive and negative terminal. So each cell is combined together to form a battery, and this battery can provide 12 volt and 7 ampere of current. So this battery is a 7Ah battery. You can see it over here. Okay, this is a 7Ah battery. This means that this battery can provide 12 volt, 7 ampere of current continuously for 1 hour. So 1 hour if we use this battery and we get 7 ampere current out of this battery, then this battery will discharge within 1 hour. But if we use a very low amount of current, then this battery can be used for a longer time, that is 20 hours. So this battery can provide a large amount of current, and also its voltage is also high. So this kind of batteries are used in computer UPS. So if you have a UPS, then you will have a battery inside it. So students, now we have seen about the lead acid battery. Okay students, we will meet in the next session with another type of battery and some new tech. Thank you.